Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to record on Slack Huddle. So there's actually no in-app feature in Slack that allows you to record a Huddle. So you're going to have to use a third-party app. So first you want to open a new tab, and then you want to search for OBS Studio. Then you want to click on the download link. Then you want to go ahead and install this application. If you're using Windows, you want to install this one. If you're using MacBook, then you want to click on this one. And after you've downloaded the app, you want to open it, and it will look like this. And then over here at sources, you want to click on the plus icon over here. Then you're going to click on screen capture. Then click on OK. Click on OK again. Then you're going to click on the plus icon again. Then you're going to click on audio capture. Click on OK. Click on OK again. And then you're going to click on start recording, so it will now start the recording. And then you're going to click on the Slack app again. Then you're gonna go ahead and start a Huddle. Then you're going to maximize the window, like so. And you'll already be able to record the Huddle. And in order to stop the recording, just go back to the application, then just click on stop recording. So that's it. Thanks for watching.